In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about Shopify email marketing for beginners. And the best part is, it's completely free. If you're new to the e-commerce world or just getting started with your Shopify store, email marketing is an essential tool you should leverage to connect with your customers and drive more sales. So, let's dive right into the process and learn how you can set this up seamlessly within Shopify. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's dashboard, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your store. From the dashboard, look for the Home tab that gives you a broad overview of your store's activities. Now, once you're on the main dashboard, the next step is to click on Marketing, located on the left-hand menu. This section is specifically designed to help you develop impactful marketing strategies. It includes various tools and insights to help you reach more of your potential customers, and of course, one of those tools is email marketing. Within the marketing section, you'll find several options, but we want to focus on creating campaigns. So go ahead and click on Campaigns. Campaigns are the backbone of your email marketing strategy. They allow you to send targeted emails to your audience, and it's really where the magic happens. As you're aware, marketing is an art that involves experimenting with different strategies and measuring their effectiveness. That's where the Attribution tab comes in. Click on it to see how your different marketing efforts are performing. This is vital as it will give you data on which strategies are driving the most engagement and sales, and help you make informed decisions moving forward. Next, let's move to Automations. Clicking on this will allow you to streamline your email marketing processes. Automation is key because it helps you set up predefined triggers to send emails automatically based on specific customer actions. Whether it's a welcome email triggered when someone subscribes to your newsletter, or a thank you note after purchase, automation ensures you're staying connected with your customers without constantly needing manual input. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to get started with Shopify email marketing for free. Remember, the tools are all there for you to explore, so take your time and experiment with different campaigns and automation strategies. Play around with them to see what resonates most with your audience. Email marketing is a powerful way to engage your customers and build lasting relationships that lead to sales. So go ahead and tweak those campaigns, track your results, and watch as your Shopify store thrives. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy marketing.